Hello everybody, I'm Tukuba. I'm so happy to see you again. And how did you trade? I hope you can practice very well and have a benefit from MT6 and Xchange global.net. Today, in this video, I would like to show you the water drop and the pie chart. As you know, we have three kind of signal. The first candle, the second water drop, and third pie chart. In the last video, I already showed you the way to analyze the candle. In this video, I would like to show you the water drop and pie chart. You can see the pie chart in my screen, and the pie chart is very easy to understand because it only shows the percentage of people who push the command. For example, you can see on my screen, we can see the pie chart with 20% of buy and 80% of sell. Basically, you can see the amount of people already push the command in that market each minute. For the water drop, I would like to show you my screen again, and you can see we have 30 seconds for order and 30 seconds for waiting, right? So each minute we have one command. The MT6 platform show the real exchange with the 60 minute. The water drop will show you 60 water drop. And you can see on my screen. And what did water drop show? Water drop shows the history of price, including sell and buy. As you can see, because we have a 60 water drop within 60 minutes, totally each command we have a 30 seconds for order and 30 seconds for waiting. In the order time, we can consider the candle, last water drop, or pie chart to decide the last command, right? If you practice very well, you can consider candle, pie charts, and water drop. However, if you are a newbie, you should consider one each time. For example, right now, I show you the way to analyze the water drop, so you can consider about the last water drop to decide the next water drop. It means that you decide the next command. It is basic information about the water drop and pie chart. In the next video, I would like to show you more and more method and the way to control your capital. See you again and hope you have a good benefit next week.